What is up, YouTube? Coming at you with another quick video. Sorry if I seem a little tired right now. A little tired from doing nothing all day. Alright. So let's get this open real quick. Hold up. God dang. Come on, dude. Alright, I gotta edit that shit out. That was embarrassing. Sorry about that. Let's see what the hell this is. What could possibly be in this damn box? Alright, we'll behold, gentlemen. Alright, let's give you a little look. Alright, so take your guess. Take your guess at what it is. If you guess right, I would be pretty damn surprised. But this is from the store, 12 a.m. run in Las Vegas. Probably some store on the strip, but it was bought. It's authentic. It's in store, so it's authenticated by the store. 12 a.m. run. Not, I guess I'll authenticate it as well, but I got this off of Bump. Same thing as Grailed, essentially. All right, you ready for this? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is what you think it is, gentlemen. Near dead stock condition. It's essentially perfect condition. This says no wear to it. Yeah. Okay. So this is put this bag here in the background. But let me give you a quick look at this book. Yes, sir. Been wanting one of these. Got a pretty dang good deal on it. See if I can focus. Yeah, I got it for quite the steal, actually. Cordura fabric on the back. Come on, focus, big guy. You can do it. Come on. I'll show you guys the insides. So the inside will look, god damn, hold up. Excuse that background noise. Family member was having a fucking aneurysm in the next door room. Fucking idiot. Hold up. So there's the inside. God damn, I need a tripod for this camera. Hold up. Okay. So here's how to authenticate these. Obviously look at the stitching. The stitching looks pretty damn neat, and look at the color. It's a pretty bright red. It looks pretty vibrant on the camera, but it's not as vibrant as you would think, actually. So let's attempt to authenticate this thing right here. So look at these little keychain holders. Each one should say UTX. Hold up, come on, please, dude. This thing does not like to, oh, there we go, UTX with the Duraflex symbol and then flex on both of them. On the other side, it shouldn't really have anything. Alright, so let me show you another way to authenticate these. Hold up. Obviously, there should be a Cordura tag. So on the main zipper here, let's unzip it all the way. That should be the interior. Okay, and then now there's a little, maybe this could be a keychain holder as well. This is maybe a key holder, I believe, but it's also a clip. It should actually have numbers on it, so I will read off the numbers. First of all, it should say the UTX Duraflex symbol and then flex, dash flex. Hold up, let me focus it for you. You'll see that shit? It should say right there. Hold up, my nail looks hella... Yeah, my nails aren't that dirty. It just looks dirty on the camera. Alright. And then on the back, there should be some numbers. Here, let me read it off for you. So the numbers should read 0102NP. I think that's legit. This seems pretty legit. And here is the little zipper, and it should say on the zipper, it should be stamped, there shouldn't be bumps. So when you run your finger over it, it should be stamped into the keychain, zipper, and it should say YKK. Same as the back. This is a stamp. It's not like, it shouldn't bulge out. There shouldn't be a bump, like, you know, like Braille. There's a little mesh here. I think what this is for, it's like another little side pocket. I'm not sure actually what that is for. God damn, this lighting is bad. So yeah, it has like mesh and whatnot. I guess your phone, your wallet is something more sensitive that you want to protect, I suppose. Whereas this front pocket would be more for phones. So it kind of, you know, I don't know. Another way to authenticate is the stiffness of the cords. The cords are should be stiff. So let me give you an example. So when you lift it, you kind of press down, it shouldn't bend easily. Like look, when you hold the zipper, you see how it's rigid? It's not like drooping, right? So fake Supreme bags and fanny packs in general will have droopy, this isn't paracord, it's just fucking string. It's like a shoelace almost, but a little thinner. So this also applies to SS18 waist bags, which I was gonna get originally. Yeah, so if your shit's droopy and you can't, like, if you hold it, let's say horizontally, that shit falls over, like this part, it's fake. It's fake as fuck. And obviously, the most obvious way to authenticate these bad boys is the fucking Supreme tag on the side. Should always have this shit, no matter what. Obviously, though, even fakes are good about that. Like, I haven't seen a single fake without that. That's obvious. Let's see if I missed anything. Got the cord inside, the zippers, keychain holder. I think that's pretty much it in terms of authenticating. I mentioned the Cordura tag. Oh, the buckle. It has to be the buckle. Yeah. That's the last thing. So the buckle, obviously, should say UTX with the symbol, their company symbol, flex, and then it should say stealth pat dot, the patent, PAT with a dot at the bottom. This is definitely legit. Everything past the authenticity check. Yeah. And then there should be some numbers also on this in this portion inside, but that actually isn't a big deal. But yeah, so be sure if you're gonna cop one of these, be on the lookout for the ways to authenticate it. This is 100%, this is a legit Supreme bag. Shout out to 12 AM Run. I've never even been to this store, but the dude who bought it there, they know their shit. So maybe when I'm in Vegas, I'll check it out next time. But yeah, that's it for the oh, I didn't even tell you what it was. I just expected you guys to know. So this is the Supreme SS19 waist bag in red. My favorite colorway for Supreme products. Obviously, they're kind of known for their red colorways. But yeah, that's it for that. I low-key wanted a spring summer 18 waist bag, but those are a little bit more like rectangle-ish. This is more of like a trapezoid. I like those because that's a kind of a more traditional fanny pack style. But the SS18s are more kind of a sling. You sling it across your waist and shoulder. You can sling this one too. These, you can rock that. But yeah, this is more like the ape waist bag a little bit, except the ape one's a little bit more circular. This one's more, I guess, trapezoidal, whatever the fuck. All right, yeah, so that's about it. I don't really think I could ramble on much more. If you want to see me wearing this, I'll be dropping some fit pics on the gram. Follow me on OG_ZK. Yeah, this is it for the Supreme waist bag. It's really clean, by the way. In person, it's clean as fuck. I fuck with it. Very nice, very nice. Probably one of my favorite Supreme products in general, because I'm not really a fan of Supreme except for this stuff. This shit's fire. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for some more videos, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.